So as we are walking, I would like to know, what does Mizzle do?
So Mizzle is a decentralized compute and storage platform.
Okay.
We aggregate compute across from different data centers from different locations across the world. We have more than 40 partners. We have more than 70 locations across the world where we have compute like compute and storage, normal servers as well as GPU available for enterprises to consume.
Amazing. So sir, there's a common saying, the decentralized cloud is only for Web3 businesses. So is that true, or is that an
That's
absolute myth?
absolutely myth, actually.
Okay.
Decentralization is actually a theory regarding overcoming, the process of centralization.
Okay.
It has got nothing to do with Web3 businesses only. It's a myth created by people who do not understand the technology that much. Any company, in fact, who wants to use decentralized compute or storage will actually find it much more cheaper. I think the prices are 1/10 of the prices in the traditional market, as well as much more secured for consumption.
So it's our duty to aware people about decentralized.
Yes, absolutely. It is our duty to make people aware, make people visit such data centers, make people use the product right in the genuine business. We can have, so for example, take an example of gaming companies, right? So today, if you have a centralized compute, the
Right.
issue is that there is a lot of latency gap, right? For an enterprise, if your servers are located in US and somebody is using it here, then you could have seen it like PUBG and
Yes,
other
yes.
games, right?
Yeah.
So now they're starting to host their own servers in local countries. Similarly, decentralized compute also helps by creating a distributed ecosystem as well as lower latency ecosystem.
So that must be a reason why the Valorant game, which is very popular, has their own server in India.
Yes, absolutely. It is exactly for the same reasons.
That's amazing. I didn't know that. So my another question to you would be, the decentralized storage would be catering to which industries or which people would be using these solutions?
See, every enterprise or every company could actually use and hop onto this network, right? It could be a banking financial services company. It could be a gaming company. It could be any enterprise like an e-commerce who wants to store their data safely.
Okay.
I can give you an example of a music app. For example, let's say a music app, right? Anybody is now listening to that music. But GDPR says you can't take their data outside their particular geo-residency. Now, if that is the case, then that means you have to store a Hungama or a Wink app would have to store user data in those specific locations, right? A Spotify, for example. Then they will need to actually get servers all across. Now, they are not in the server business, so they can't do that. So companies like us, we help them get into the data residency issues.
My another question would be from a personal experience. Might be a little off topic,
Yeah.
but recently we saw that Book My Show were hosting Coldplay tickets, and they completely crashed out because the users were flooding to their websites.
Right.
So is blockchain or decentralized cloud a solution to that, or would it be a solution in the future?
Right. So absolutely. I mean, that's one of the things that everybody is working towards, right? When you have a decentralized ecosystem, what you can have is, again, there is no single point of failure.
Right.
And you can have dynamic scaling as an application. So today, if you consume more, right? So your consumption will automatically, so your payments will be as per your consumption. And what happens is with that, there is no limit to the availability.
Right.
That means that tomorrow, if the whole network has 1,000 free resources, you can use the entire network's free resources to actually cater to your requirements.
It's more secure, it's cheaper. I wonder why it is not being used.
Education. That's what we need to do now.